Hey, what's going on, you guys? In today's video we're gonna be restoring these hazy headlights on this 2012 Honda Odyssey. This product by PlastX, and then we're gonna be using a foam pad and a rack to wipe any residue down. I find this product to work really good. Unless it's super bad, then what I do is I wet sand it, then polish it out, and then you'll have to use a special clear coat for plastic headlights. Let's get to it and see how we do. We are now back on the second headlight, and I'm gonna guide you through how I do it. First step, tape, and we're gonna tape it all around. So let's do that. Okay, next step, take your PlastX polisher. Use a drill gun with foam pad, and we're gonna apply this product. Now we're gonna spread on the headlight. And let's get busy polishing. Let's wipe this part down so we can see the difference. Nice and clear. Let's keep going. Okay guys, we just complete buffing. As you can see, there's a big difference. So in the last step, what I usually do, you want to grab some sort of ceramic spray and just apply, so that way it will protect. Spray again until the product dries out. Meanwhile, we can remove the tape. Ready to completely wipe down the headlight. Just like that. What a difference. This is probably the cheapest and most effective product on the market as far as I know, and I've been using this for a little while. For this, in case you want to know. The next video we're gonna be doing on this van, I'm gonna show you how I wash the engine bay area. Actually, in this car is pretty bad, so stay tuned for the next video. Peace.